setup begins by downloading two files, the VirtualBox installer from the official VirtualBox website and the Ubuntu ISO file from the official Ubuntu website. After the download is complete, the VirtualBox installer file is opened from the Systems File Manager. The installation wizard runs and installs VirtualBox onto the device. Once installation is finished, VirtualBox becomes ready to use. If you open the Ubuntu file, you will see like a lot of folders inside it. Next is VirtualBox is launched. This software will serve as the platform for creating and managing virtual machines. This screen shows the creation of a new virtual machine inside VirtualBox. After selecting the new option, set up window appears and provide fields for defining the virtual machine's detail. Here the virtual machine's name is entered, the storage folder is set, and the Ubuntu ISO file selected as the operating system source. This step prepares the virtual machine with the necessary configuration before continuing to the hardware settings and installation process. You can leave this as is since we did not check the unattended installation. This section displays the virtual hardware configuration for the machine. The base memory or RAM is adjusted to allocate the amount of system memory that the virtual machine will use. So next is the number of processor core is selected to determine how much CPU power will be assigned. This settings help part shows the configuration panel of the virtual machine. Before starting the installation, the system, processor, display, and other hardware settings are reviewed and adjusted to ensure that the virtual machine runs properly and has the correct resources assigned. After completing the configuration, the virtual machine is started. The system then loads the Ubuntu mode menu, which provides options for launching the installer or accessing the additional startup settings. So this confirms that the virtual machine is successfully reading the Ubuntu installation media and is ready for the installation process. Just select the first one and then simply enter to proceed. After the loading sequence completes, the Ubuntu desktop is displayed. This confirms that the virtual machine has successfully booted into the Ubuntu environment and is ready for further setup. Select the language for the installation, then choose any needed accessibility options. After that, pick preferred keyboard layout. Choose Install Ubuntu. Select Interactive Installation to continue. Default selection. Next. And then simply check bot. And then next. Allow Ubuntu to erase the virtual disks and install. Set the username and password for the system. Click Next. Now install and wait for a few minutes since the loading process is kind of long. We now arrive at the Ubuntu login screen where the user account created earlier appears. Once the password is entered, Ubuntu loads into the main desktop environment. From here, the home folder and system interface became accessible, showing the default folders such as desktop, documents, download, and more. This confirms that Ubuntu has successfully installed and is now fully operational inside VirtualBox.